Hi, this is Brandon with Clean Professionals here. We're here on a pet cleaning today, and we're doing a low moisture cleaning. You're like, hey, low moisture, why are you doing that? You need to do hot water extraction or truck mount. Well, let me tell you something. We actually maintain this house. We're here every other month to go ahead and maintain the carpet. So it's not that bad. Odor's not that bad. We're doing a top surface clean, and then we're going to go ahead and neutralize the floor once we're going ahead and finished. And just come and take a look with me, and let's see how we go ahead and get this done. As you see, we're using black light treatment. Look at that. See? This is what we're looking at when we're on our pet stains, our pet treatment. Now you're looking through this area. I want to show you. That's what we're doing with our pet stains here. Here we go. Look at all that. So we're going to get all that up here, treat those areas. And now the stains aren't going to come up. But we know where to treat, okay? That's what we're looking at. All right. And on the edge, corners. All right, see, popping up there. Mainly your edges is what you're gonna find most stains at. All right. And corners. This is like a whole wall there. Just pop it up. Show you all the dirt and the under it. Very important step when you're end cap cleaning. A lot of people miss this step. Normally I'll pick that cord up, but because I only have one hand right now, I'm holding the camera. Hear that? That's what we want to hear. Dirt's getting up out of there. So after we vacuumed, we went ahead and got the buffer going. We're using natural fiber pad with the scrub strips, all right? So that's what we're using. As you can see whoops, that was an accident. As you can see the floor, I did this one pass over here, white and color, on the rest of the floor. The color difference. That's getting all the dirt, dander, the urine up and populating into the pad. This cleaner is an enzyme. Okay, so as long as this floor is wet, it's going to continue to work and break down that urine, alright, and disintegrating this urine. Alright. Like I said, now we can do this. Now this isn't really bad smelling. Now if this just happens to be cat, if there's a cat urine and it's seeped into the pad, we would not be using this method. This is a very important tip. We will not use this method if it's seeped down into the pad. This would not work, okay? You have to break out that hot water extraction. Or you can use a truck mount, if that's what you like to prefer. Hot water extractor, portable extractor is all you need. And this will do the job for you. Alright, stay tuned. Alright, here it is. All finished here. Looking good. Look at all that pee. Remember the pee that was there earlier? Look at all that. Where I said those stains will stay. And enzyme picked all that urine up. Remember there was urine all along the edges? All that urine's gone. This is the after results, the after. There's urine all in that corner. All right, give us a call. Like I said, Be Clean Professionals. We do the urine black light treatment for the pet treatment. You've seen how we got that pet urine up off the top surface. Has no more urine over here. There was urine all over the place. Like it was popping up just like the side of this wall here. See that side of that wall? Yep, it was popping up just like that. No longer there. All right, stay tuned.